Assalamu alaikum. Please join the live session as soon as possible. Okay, in this lecture, the tomorrow examination, pharmaceutical engineering will be discussed. Good evening, Mayur M. Good evening. Uh, Please share this in my official WhatsApp group so that others can join. Thank you.
आधा घंटा पहले डालना लिंक
Okay, go.
हाँ फिर डालना होगा
चालू. Pharmaceutical engineering. Okay, some of the very important repeated questions and also how to write your 10 mark, 5 mark, 2 mark questions. We will discuss in this. Some tricks are there. If you follow that tricks means however the question paper will be tough, you don't worry about that. If the question paper sometimes it came tough also, you don't worry. You follow this pattern, inshallah you will pass the examination. I am going to tell you some important tricks here. So please join as soon as possible. Tomorrow is your last paper. Hope the paper will be easy, inshallah. The paper will be easy because microbiology and your PP, physical pharmaceutics, little difficult. Physical pharmaceutics is much more difficult when compared to this microbiology. But you don't worry, your pharmaceutical engineering paper will be easy. Clear? You don't worry about that. And pharmaceutical engineering, I will give you guarantee. Yes, I will give you guarantee. The same questions what I am telling now, that only will come in your examination from my side. Clear? So join fast as soon as possible. Today whole night you are having to study so that you can take advantage of that. Yeah, let's start some of the important questions. See, as I have already uploaded 10 mark, 5 mark, 2 mark questions with answer. For your convenience, for your easy going way, what I have done, I had already uploaded the 10 mark, 5 mark, 2 mark questions and answer in the morning only. Because for your purpose, you are having the whole day to read. Okay. And maybe you have covered all the syllabus. Means what questions I have given, no? Maybe you have covered that. Now in this video, what I am going to tell you, how to write the questions. See, first what the question is, a ball mill. Sometimes one more very important, I am noticing from back 3 years papers. Back 3 years means 2022 only, like your organic chemistry 2, physical pharmaceutics 1, microbiology. What they are doing means they are asking the synonyms. दूसरे नाम से पूछा जा रहा है क्वेश्चन को, बेवकूफ़ बना रहे हैं हमको. हाँ, they are asking different names, using different names. For an example, see, preservative, evaluation of preservative they have asked, but what we have to write there, evaluation of disinfectant only. Because see, in preservative what we are doing, we are killing the microorganisms. Yes, in disinfectant what we are doing, there also the same action, killing of microorganisms. So what they have done means they have twisted the question there. I have sit for 2 days, I have really invested the mind on that. I too not getting clear answer for that evaluation of preservative, but yesterday I have got the answer for that. Alhamdulillah, yesterday I got answer for that. The accurate answer is that only. Means except the phenol coefficient test, you have to not write the phenol coefficient, cup plate method or pour plate method you have to write down, then only you will get the marks. Yeah, here see, ball mill, it is also known as a noisy mill. Hammer mill, according to the syllabus, it is not a noisy mill, but when you search in the Google means what they will show it is a hammer mill, also a noisy mill. But from our syllabus, ball mill, the balls are there, no, while you are doing the practical labs, my dear brothers and sisters. Very noisy sound is created in your lab. Why? Because of the metallic or stony boils which were used to separate the size, to reduce the size of the particle. Clear? Now see, define the principal construction working advantages and disadvantages of the ball mill. They have asked means first you write what is this size reduction. Then you go for ball mill. Ball mill is an equipment used to reduce the size of the particle, means to reduce the higher size to its lower size, okay, or maximum reduction size. It's known as the equipment is known as ball mill. This you have to write. Then you go for a principle. Then you write construction, means with a neat table diagram. You just explain what you have drawn, no, high rich, that only you explain. Then working, you go for working. Then advantages and disadvantages. If they're not asked advantages and disadvantages, you have to write this one, advantages and disadvantages. Then only you will get a out of 4 marks there, means 7 to 8 marks there. Next one, distillation principle and working of flash distillation. Flash steam distillation, very important. Here also same, what is distillation you have to write. See, they have only asked the principle and working, but don't do this mistake. You first write what is this flash distillation, then you go for principle, then you write construction, then you write working, advantages and disadvantages. Okay, then drying, theory of drying with respect to the rate relationship. See, sometimes what they will do, they will write solid theory of drying sometimes. But if you observe the drying means, theory of drying means, you write the answer this only. Don't get confused, write that, you don't worry about that one. You write, we will see whatever happens. Okay, now see, these are the very important ones, how to write in 10 marks. Now for an example, how to write in 5 marks. See, explain principle and working of the Venturi meter. Very important with this is also. Now here what you have to write means, first you write what is this Venturi meter. After writing Venturi meter, then you go for principle, then construction, then working. If page remains, means you have completed only 2 pages, then you go for advantages and disadvantages. Okay, now see, in 2 marks the same, I have told you 2 marks questions you can write maximum 5 to 6 lines to get maximum marks. In 2 marks I am telling. Now in 5 marks means 3 pages you have to fill. Out of 3 you have to fill maximum 2 3/4 page. Okay, if you fill the 3 pages also, happy. But in 10 mark compulsory you have to fill 5 pages. Clear? So my request to you all, what questions I have discussed now, I have given you some important questions in morning with answers. You go through that, you study these, you study those questions, inshallah you will pass your engineering subject. See, microbiology maximum questions, what I had told before the examination 2021, 2 question papers I have told you, from that on they have asked. Prokaryotes they have asked, eukaryotes they have asked, cell wall they have asked, then gaseous sterilization they have asked. Okay, it's maximum means 30%, 40% questions they were asked from that only. Clear? Now, this is the procedure writing pattern in the pharmaceutical engineering. Hope the tomorrow's is your last but not least engineering subject. Clear? Don't worry, my dear brothers and sisters, write the examination. And one more very important thing, don't ever skip a tomorrow's examination. You have to write that tomorrow's examination. See, you are having whole day. I am always advising you. See, you sit from 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. 4 hours you are having for pharmaceutical engineering. Okay, 2. For 2 o'clock, for 2 a.m. you sleep, you take rest. 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 hours is enough for your brain. Then after that 6, you again study some of the important things. Okay, studying in the morning will be very advantageous for you, and that will remember in your examination. Really, okay, 110% it will, the answers will automatically printed in your answer sheet when you study at the morning. See, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2. Okay, if you invest from 10 to 11, 11 to 12, then you give half an hour gap there. Okay, until 2 o'clock or 2 a.m. you have to continue your studies. There you can finish 5 marks and some of the 10 marks. 10 marks and some of the 5 marks. Then remaining questions you can discuss in the morning. 6 a.m. to you are having the time up to 12 noon. Mid afternoon. Until that you can cover your whole topic, maximum topics you can cover there. But the main important thing is you have to practice. Without practicing, these are very difficult. So my request to you all, don't read the construction. You write the construction on the basis of your diagrams. Okay, one construction means one is say made up of stainless steel. You observe that, you draw the diagram, no, on the basis of that only you write the construction. Don't by heart the construction, because more than 20 constructions are there, more than 20 principles are there, which one you will by heart? There is not at all possible. It's very heavy for you and your brain. So better, it's better, really it's better, you only go for construction diagram. You see the diagram, then you remember the things what is present in the diagram, you write that one. For an example, ball mill is made up of stainless steel or copper coverings. Okay, the balls, maybe sometimes the balls are made up from the stones, or they are also made up from the stainless stones. Okay, these only you have to write down, no extra things. What you have drawn, no, in your picture, means in the diagram, that only you have to write, no more extra things. And don't worry, the supervisor will see only those. Okay, you have written the important things or not, that only. And see, in many principles, attrition, impact and attrition is very important. If you don't know anything, means you write the impact and attrition. And don't write only impact and attrition, explain that impact and attrition in the principle. Okay, impact and attrition, nothing but what they are doing means they are crushing. One material is crushed with another material, what happens? Automatically the size get reduced of the particle. And also cyclone separator is very one of the very important one in 5 marks. Cyclone separator, venturi meter, then flow of heat, then leaf filter, then basket filter, centrifuge, super centrifuge, not basket filter, basket centrifuge, flow of heat mechanism, Bernoulli's theorem, very important. Fourier's law, already I upload in the group. Those students, those friends who are not, means 500 members, the group has been paused for only 500 members. Okay, according to the terms and policy of the WhatsApp, they are only restricted to 500 members. So what I am planning to open a new Telegram channel. In that Telegram channel, inshallah Rahman, we will give a more importance there. Where? In the Telegram channel, more importance there, rather than in the WhatsApp. Okay, Telegram channel means there is no limit for the addition of the partners, addition of the members. So it's your choice, you can join there. After this examination, after your theory examination, I am planning to already have one Telegram channel at John Pharmacy, but I have not given more concentrate there. But inshallah, on your demand, I will invest my time there. I will invest my I will invest my work there in the Telegram channel. Maybe it may be helpful for you also. And also your practical examination will be soon, they will be conducted soon. And those who are having backlogs in biochemistry, so my request to you all, now you keep aside biochemistry. You read pharmaceutical engineering, it's advice from me. Those who are having tomorrow engineering examination, you read engineering, don't worry about the biochemistry. I will give you some of the important questions in biochemistry, you read only that. Inshallah you will pass your biochemistry examination. But for today and tomorrow until 12, you read only pharmaceutical engineering. Those who are having pharmaceutical engineering tomorrow examination, so please read only pharmaceutical engineering. Biochemistry we will see that afterwards, because you are having whole day means from 7 to morning 12, you are having a day for the biochemistry. And really biochemistry is not a difficult subject, only 5 cycles are there. If you practice those 5 cycles, means definitely you will pass the examination with 2 marks. I am going to tell that definite cycle. See here, one is a de novo biosynthesis of the fatty acid, another one is a purine nucleotides, then the TCA cycle, Krebs cycle, Okay, TCA means Krebs, both are same. Then one more very important is glycolysis. Glycolysis, formation of the means oxidation of the glucose to pyruvate or lactate, that is known as the glycolysis. Then one more very important section is beta oxidation of fatty acid, I have told you. Then beta oxidation of fatty acid, then ketone bodies formation. Then amino acid metabolism, urea cycle. Only by practicing these you will pass your examination. Some theoretical questions are there, like enzyme inhibition, reversible irreversible enzyme inhibition, factors affecting enzyme inhibition, DNA, right, a structure of double helical structure. Then types of RNA, ribose nucleic acid, then protein synthesizers, then electron transport chain, oxidative phosphorylation. It's linked with electron transport chain only. Very simple questions are there. Okay, don't worry about it, we will discuss about that. Theoretical, if you read once mean it will fix in your mind, but here very important thing is practice the cycles there. Clear? We have got the idea on the engineering, and also I have given some little idea on the biochemistry also. So my request to you all, you go for tomorrow's examination, write the examination, don't worry, everything will be fine. Okay, if you are having any doubts in pharmaceutical engineering means, inshallah rahman, you can message me up to 11 p.m. you can message me. See, maximum questions, there is no need to doubt, because already I uploaded the answers also, the questions also. And alhamdulillah, the group members are doing their job very absolutely fine. So really I am happy from my group members, because anyone will answer in the group. Someone has a question, means anyone having the capacity, he or she will be answer in that group. Okay, really great job you all are doing, wonderful job. Thank you group members. Okay, if you supported means, if you support means if you support me means, inshallah I will open one telegram channel, there we can invest our knowledge, there we can work very hard, and also it will be very helpful for you and me. Okay, yes sir, thank you, assalamu alaikum.